Hi people, this is Nettie again. It's 12 o'clock at night. I'm trying to do juicing. This is mango. There's like 8 mangoes there, you know. And they taste pretty good. The bad parts that was messed up, I threw it out. I threw out a full bang mango because it was like bad. It's already getting spoiled. So I threw that one out. But the majority was good. Look at that. But I had the strangest thing that happened. Okay, this is the eggplant that I always had, like that thing. It's like greenish. But then I started to take a little bit of purple. And I wanted to mix it up with this. Thinking that I call it, because the eggplant is something that if you cut it up in pieces and you put it in orange juice, that this eggplant would taste mainly like orange juice, like pieces of orange juice, like candy or something like that. So I decided to use this and put it with the mango, but I had one big problem. I took, let's see, this little piece right there, this little piece, and when I went to eat it, it was nasty. Yeah, I felt like it burned my lip. Not my lip, my tongue. I had to run to the bathroom with my tongue all out like a nut, run to the bathroom and wash my tongue out. Yes, because it felt like it was acid. It was real painful. So I said, you ain't going to this. You ain't going in here. Heck no. This is going to the garbage. And I have another one. Let me see if I could. Sorry, because it's late at night. So, the lighting is. I had lighting up here, and for some reason, it got messed up. So until we get an electrician to fix that. But this, it sees purple now, but it's really brownish. But when the other one is also like yellowish, the other little one. So I'm gonna take that out too. If they don't come out nice purple plants, I don't want it. I'm gonna throw it out. But it felt like, I don't know, they have used pesticide or something on it, that the plant absorbed the whatever pesticide they put on it. I'm not anything for pesticide. I like to use like vinegar. I use neem, that kind of stuff. And I do spray, but like in the floor, for the mosquitoes. And that's like every 4 to 6 months. Because the insecticide you don't smell it. It stays in the bottom. It has a spray thing that you just spray it in the bottom. I don't do it when it's windy either. Because the wind throw it to the plants. And this will keep the mosquitoes outside, out of my balcony, and it will also protect from it coming inside the house. So, and what worries me is that it has a lot of plants, a lot of flowers growing, but, what happened to the light? Okay, it has a lot of plants growing, but I don't know how the flowers are going to come out. If it comes out normal, then I'm going to taste it. I think this is rotten. Maybe that's why it tastes like that. So I'm still going to do my juicing, make another video because I can't unite this video with that video. I don't know why. I don't know how to do that. And since I don't have a camera, it's a little bit harder. It's perfect to put it up in YouTube because even if I shut up, I don't pay no mind to my cellular, it'll still bring it up. The only way it will put it on hold if I shut it off because I'm going to use the internet to watch a movie or whatever. So this is going to happen probably tonight, and when I go to sleep, I leave it on. And that would, by tomorrow morning, it should be done. And then by tomorrow afternoon, I put all the information and put it down. So people, if you see eggplant that has a weird color, don't eat it and don't cook it. Take a little piece like I did. I took this little piece and oops, I take this little piece, and oh, it was awful. The next time I'm gonna take it to the bathroom first and bite it in the bathroom. So people, that's all for now. I'm gonna do this, and then I'm gonna do a mini video. If I tomorrow I throw this, I throw the other one together. So you know that will be like part 2 of what I did. So God bless you all. Until next time. Bye bye.